So I gave this method to my friend and she was able to get her channel to 1.7k subscribers. Right now her channel is over 2,000 subscribers, which is 2 point something k subscribers. I also use this particular method to get this channel to over 16,000 subscribers. This channel was literally getting over 1,000 subscribers within just 3 days. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I was able to do on this particular channel and everything that I was able to give that my friend to also do on her channel. And this thing is just one thing, so not like we're doing two things, we're just going to do one thing. And at the end of the day, I'm going to be explaining to you if you're going to continue with this thing after getting your 1,000 subscribers or you're not going to continue with it. And I'm going to be giving you my reasons and all of my thoughts towards that. Hey, beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's very soon and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. Hi guys, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. In today's video, we are going to be showing you, or I am going to be showing you rather, how to get your 1,000 subscribers within just 3 days. All you need to do is apply this method. So if you're suffering for subscribers, if your subscribers are actually discouraging you, you don't even know how to get to 1,000 subscribers, you've been stuck to 200, 300, 400, 500 subscribers for the whole period that you've been on YouTube. And at some point, you know, getting all of this 1,000 subscribers, if you're not getting it fast, it feels frustrating. This video is definitely for you. I knew this when I started my YouTube channel. I wouldn't be going through all of the routes I went through to get my 1,000 subscribers. I actually did a video how I got my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you've not watched that video, check and see that the process I was able to get my 1,000 subscribers to this channel was actually a longer process. If I knew this particular thing will actually work for me within a period of 3 days, why not? I would have applied this method so that what I will now be looking for is 4,000 watch hour. I believe my journey would have been more easier when it comes to monetization. I got monetized 6 months on YouTube. I think it would have been lesser than getting all of that hustle. So if you are new here, welcome in, subscribe, grab your popcorn, and let's dive right into everything that will give you 1,000 subscribers within just 3 days. Let's go there, guys. So welcome back, guys, and this thing we're actually going to be using is just one thing, which is shorts. I'm going to show you how you're going to use this short not to get copyright and also to be successful with all of these. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to put in it here as to start my screen record. I've started my screen record and then I'm going to be showing you the first thing you're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do is to go ahead to your Play Store or your Apple Store, whichever one you are using. So I'm going to be using Play Store. And then you're going to be downloading Instant Downloader or Instagram Downloader, which one you feel you can download. So anyone that you feel it's okay for you, Instant Saver and every other stuff, just download it. Okay, so after downloading this, you are just going to go ahead to check it in your phone. So this is the one I've been able to download. Mine is IG Saver. Okay, I have this IG Saver. I have two of it. I have IG Saver and I have In Saver, which is this two that you guys are seeing here. And then after getting all of these, the next thing for you to do is to head straight to your Instagram account. So if you don't have an Instagram account, opening an Instagram account is very simple. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store, download Instagram, and then you're just going to follow the process of creating the account. It is as simple as ABCD. Okay, so probably we'll be doing another video on how you can create that. So we'll just go back to our Instagram, and once we go to our Instagram, you're going to be seeing all of this, which is the home, the search, the this, the that, and this. So now what am I going to do? I am just going to go to the search button, which is this particular search button you are seeing. And if I come to the search button, I am going to be looking out for what will actually catch people's attention, and of which that is what I actually told that's my friend. And on my own end, to get my channel to 16,000 subscribers, I look out more for wedding videos and probably cooking videos as well. So what I do is, after coming to this place, I've seen these ladies that are actually showing all of this wedding stuff. So I need to reduce this noise so that you're not going to be hearing any noise. So once I get them like this, I know that this particular kind of shots they have that tendency of going viral. So what do I need to do? I click on this arrow that is here. If I click on the arrow, it's just going to take me straight to where I'm going to be saying copy link, share, WhatsApp, download, Facebook, add to story, messengers, Twitter, thread, Snapchat, and SMS. And then the next thing I am just going to do is to go straight to copy link. I will just go ahead and copy the link. Once I copy the link, then I will just minimize my phone. I'm not going totally out of that place. I just minimize my phone. Then I go ahead to type in saver or saver, because depending on the one I have here. So I have the in saver, I have the IG saver, so any one that I want to use can actually do the same job for me. So I'll go ahead and click on in saver, and if I click on in saver, I'll actually wait for it to load, okay, immediately after minimizing. So after loading like this, the next thing that I'm going to be seeing that the video is already downloading automatically. You can see that this video is downloading automatically, and the good part is that this video is going to download without Instagram logo with it, without Instagram watermark. It is just going to download directly to my phone. And now, since I've already gotten the video download to my phone, I just minimize again, and then the next thing is to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll just click on YouTube. And once I click on YouTube, this is actually my Sonia's page. Okay, so next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this plus button. If I click on this plus button, I am just going to go ahead and click on shorts, because I want to upload this as shorts. And once I click on it as short, the next thing I do is I'm going to upload it directly. You can see that the video already popped up here. So once I click on the upload, I click on the video, I meant to say, then it's going to show me like this, which is this interface that you guys are seeing. I'm just going to go ahead to click on done. If I click on done, the video is actually going to process. If you're very good in posting shorts through your downloads, you know that this is how it is. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is to click on this good like this. If I click on it, this is the next that I'm going to do, okay, so that I will not have copyright claim and I will not have any issue in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and type something, beautiful wedding, or anything that you know that beautiful bridal tray, anything that, sorry, oh, I just put beautiful bridal. Well, let me just put beautiful bride. Okay, you can just use any of your words so that this video will not be long. Okay, so after clicking on this beautiful bride, I'm just going to click like this, and then I'm going to click on done. If I click on done, I'm going to adjust this to where I want to adjust it to. Okay, once I adjust it like this, I'm just still going to go ahead to pick out a music for it, a song for it, because I don't want the original song that I came with from Instagram to actually affect me. So I'll go ahead and click on add song. When I click on add song, I'm going to look at the first 3 most viral song. Okay, so you can see that this first one, which is the friendship, has 14 million shorts. This other one, which is the too many reasons, has 6.8, and which is the Chike Mobad, has 81. So I'm going to be using this one that has the 14 million shorts. So I'll click on it, and once I click on it, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the arrow. And once I click on the arrow, if I should play this high now, you are going to see that this is actually carrying the song. So I'm just going to go ahead and lower this, okay, as well. So after putting the song, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on next. Okay, if I click on next, this is the next thing I am now going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and put a very simple and a catchy title. Probably I'll just put bride of the year or bridals of the year. So let's just use bridals of the year. Okay, let's just choose bridals of the year. Make sure that your short is as short when it comes to this title of your short. Make sure it's very short and make sure it's hitting the point. Okay, so now the next I'm going to be doing is to go ahead and put hashtags. So which hashtags is this video actually related to? So I'm just going to go ahead and put a hashtag wedding, because this is what this video is relating to. So you can see this hashtag wedding. I'm still going to go ahead and put hashtag bridals. Okay, I'm going to put hashtag shorts. Okay, I'm going to put hashtag shorts, and as many hashtags as you want to put. Love is also related to it. Okay, it's also related to the wedding stuff, so you can also put hashtag viral. Okay, anyone you just want to put, just go ahead and put it. Hashtag viral video, hashtag viral short, anything you actually want to put. So after putting all my short, the next thing I am going to do is to check that this place is on public, because most time if this thing is members only, that means if those people are not among your membership, they are not going to be seeing this video. If it's unlisted, that means they are not going to actually see the video until you made it public. And then if it's private, forget about it. If it's scheduled, it is the main time that you actually schedule the video that this short can actually go. Okay, so right now I'm going to make sure that this short is public. Okay, I'm going to make sure that this short is public. I don't want it to be scheduled. Okay, So after putting public, I'm just going to make sure and say this video is not meant for kids. So this is it. Mine is already automatic because I've already set it. I'm going to be teaching you guys in another video how to do all of that. Then I'm going to do allow video remixing and audio. This is very, very important so that people can actually remix what you've already uploaded as well. Then add paid label. There's no point for this one if you are not yet monetized. And then comment is also on because the comments can actually bring engagement. And then next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and upload this short. But right now I don't want to upload it because this is just not my, this is just my, what they call it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and upload it. I'll just delete it after the upload. Okay, so after uploading this, I go back again and do the same thing. So this is what I do. Okay, let me stop this live stream so that I'll tell you guys what I will do next. The next thing I will do is to go directly and do this for up to 10 to 15 shots in a day. That is what I do. 10 to 15 shots. That is what I post. If you check that particular channel that has 16,000 subscribers, you will notice that that channel actually have over 1,000k videos or like 1,000 videos, and more, in fact 99.9% of what is there are short videos. I was actually using that to like try to grow the subscribers on that channel, and it happens real quick. Okay, I have to start privating some of those short videos and start deleting. Okay, so now the next you're supposed to do is do this for 10 to 15 videos in a day. Make sure that it is a very catchy video. If you are not into all of this, if you don't want to do this number one that I did, you can use food, viral food videos. You can use videos of celebrities that you know that can read. As long as it is catchy, people will definitely click and watch. One thing I always tell you about shorts is shorts has a tendency to travel far, and if you upload 10 to 15 videos in a day and those videos are catchy and you do exactly all of these things that I'm showing you, there is no way you're going to be getting copyright. There is no way you're going to be getting flagged through your short because the short is already assumed to be yours. There is no way you're not going to be getting subscribers. In a day, you can even meet up to your 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it is very, very 100% possible. I have tested it. It has worked for me. I have recommended this, not just to this my friend that I showed you as an example, but to so many people that will just come to me personally and talk to me. And today I decided to say, okay, let me just bring it down to you guys here so that this can actually help you. Just doing just this one thing that I said, it can actually skyrocket your YouTube channel for 1,000 subscribers. Then this is what I want you to do after getting your 1,000 subscribers. The least you should get is 2,000 subscribers. Once you've gotten your 2,000 subscribers, the next thing you should do is go ahead and private all of those shorts or delete all of those shorts from your channel. Trust me, if you leave those shorts in your channel, those shorts are not going to be a problem to you, but they will continue to bring subscribers. And this is the disadvantage with those subscribers that those shorts will be having. The disadvantage is that most people that will be coming from those short videos will not be so much interested in your long form videos. So now you have to focus on your 4,000 watch hour if you want to get your channel monetized, and then delete all of those shows so that it will not be accumulating more subscribers to that particular channel. So what I want you to do now is to be uploading your own personal videos so that you can actually grow that channel now with your personal video, so that extra subscribers that are coming from east, west, north and south, coming from your direct video, can actually rely on your long form videos. Reasons: because short videos don't pay too much when it comes to YouTube. Short videos pay T-pence. Okay, the only video that will actually pay you very well when it comes to YouTube is your long video. And one thing why I want you to focus on your long video is because your long videos can also can also give you the desired watch hour, accumulate the desired watch hour that you have in time. Because all the watch hour that you've been getting from that short, even if you like get 100,000 watch hour coming from your shorts alone, those watch hours can never monetize you. Okay, and if you continue to do this over and over again, and then you ended up monetizing your channel using short videos alone, at the end of the day, you're going to be making just T-pence. You're not just going to be making so much money. And for how long will you keep relying on people's content? That is to say, if people are not creating on Instagram or on this method that I'm showing you, you're not going to be uploading shorts, or you might end up uploading your own facial shorts and it is not doing anything. So that's why I advise you that when you get to your 2,000, the next thing you need to do is to delete all of those shorts or private all of those shorts and focus now on your videos. Don't leave those shorts on your channel. Don't leave those shorts on your channel. Don't leave those shorts on your channel. Delete them, private them, or unlist them so that you can start hustling for your watch hour. This particular channel, which is my channel that I'm able to show you right now, what I'm doing right now is I am deleting those shorts from those videos, from those channels one after the other. I want to make sure I delete everything so that I can use that channel now as my lifestyle channel. I was actually using this for experiment. That was how the subscribers count you're able to get to like 16,000. Even if you want to use this short to get your 100,000 subscribers, trust me, within a space of time like this, it is going to come. But the problem is your revenue is just going to be second to nothing. Okay, so that is it. I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section. And please, if you try this and this method actually work for you, come back in the comment section and give us a review. We always love to see review on our videos so that other people can actually watch as well, and it can also help them. And yes, disclaimers, the main reason why we're doing this video is to help ourselves get monetized. Okay, this is just directly from what I've been able to experiment and actually worked for me, and this is me trying to pass it out to my audience. So don't come here and start saying Sonia is a YouTube guru. Sonia is not a YouTube guru. Sonia is teaching out of experience, what I've already experienced on YouTube Street for the past 3 good years. And yes, thank you so much for staying stick and hooked to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed at this point of this video, what are you waiting for? Please do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. In 3 days time, you're going to be getting your 1,000 subscribers, and I will wait for your testimony. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.